recognize where I am? So basically what we're doing right now, I'm going to fill you guys in on something that would have happened if he was healthy, but he's injured. Me and Zach, we were fully prepared with the posters tonight. We were going to make a Nathan Beaulieu poster for all you guys out there that have been watching for a long time, that have been commenting the memes and everything else with Nathan Beaulieu. We were going to do it, but he's scratched. So instead, we're going with a Teemu poster and Teppo poster for the return, because what else would we do? What, Dmitry Kulikov welcome back party? I don't think so. So yeah, if you guys are at that game tonight, look for us on the Jumbotron. We got our logos. We got Teemu and Teppo, even though I reversed them because I know who is which. Don't worry about that, but we are going to be ready. Take a look at this. Okay, as you can see, I'm working on an artistic project over here, all right? No spoilers just yet. Take a look at what Zach just spent his last half an hour on. Heading to the game right now, but look who's driving.
Yes.
The one and only best Uber-rated Uber driver in Winnipeg.
It's not a high bar.
You heard it here first.
Am I wrong?
I don't know. I don't live
know.
here.
I haven't really...
Show the people what they came for. Show them. Look at that.
It's practically the same person.
Beautiful.
It's practically the same person.
Start filming like this the whole time.
Sacramento line in. It's practically. Camera shots.
I've made a monster. I've made a monster. Gotta go up and put it on, man.
I don't know what to do with this side.
At this point, we're just trying to get that little guy a puck. He deserves one. First Jets game, we gotta get it for him. Record an update, but we did get him that puck.
He played 5 seasons in a Jets uniform, scoring 150 goals and 244 points. Please welcome back, Selanne. Warriors, the Manitoba Moose, and the Winnipeg Jets. He played 6 seasons for the Jets and was one of the best face-off men in NHL history. Please welcome back, Randy Dillon. Rugged and an unbelievable teammate. Please welcome back, Darren Shannon. Tanner was raised to the rafters of the Winnipeg Arena, and in 2020, he was inducted into the Winnipeg Jets Hall of Fame. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back, number 25. He was drafted 49th overall by the Jets in 1986 and went on to play 15 seasons with the franchise, including 8 memorable seasons on the Winnipeg Blue Line. One of the most underrated players in NHL history. His professionalism, skill, and consistency was legendary. He is one of the greatest defensemen in our history, and tonight he becomes a member of the Winnipeg Jets Hall of Fame. Accompanied by his family, please welcome back number 27, Teemu Numminen. He shattered the goals and points record for a rookie on the way to the Calder Trophy for Rookie of the Year. He is the second highest scoring European player in NHL history and was inducted into the Hockey Hall of Fame in 2017. Accompanied by his family, please welcome the 10th member of the Winnipeg Jets Hall of Fame, number 13, Teemu Selanne.
have no idea. Carter, can you text Mom and just say it's the first period? We'll do it in intermission.
Do what?
Get a photo with the three of us.
We'll get one at the end of the night when everyone's leaving.
Nice. No,
No, there's no gas. There's no gas. Take his time. Nice hit. I think everyone's tired out there right now.
No, because they want to change. They got to change Gustin. Oh my God! I can't believe that anymore. Oh! Oh! Get out of trouble, boys! Get out of it! Get out of trouble, boys! Nice save. Good Lord. Alright, bring up.
Yeah, we're not out of it yet.
Come on, Dylan. Drop him. Dylan, you can mess this guy up. There you go.
How are we feeling so far?
A little frustrated. Like first
Yeah.
period, there were some good looks, and since then, it hasn't been enough. There was one sustained pressure, and it ended with a shot right into Gibson.
I'm gonna cut you off because the puck's dropping.
Come on, fly through that zone. Come on, Shai. Come on, Shai. Looking like a first-line center for the first time in his career. No.
Right after the Ducks score that tying goal, it feels like the Jets are running out of life. Feels like they're not going to be able to make it all the way to overtime. It feels like just something bad might happen. But then, a miracle happens.
Nick, how do you feel?
Disappointed.
Shut the hell up!
Oh yeah, also somehow we got on TSN. Like, look at that. What the hell is this? How does that happen? So yeah, basically, I kind of forgot to film anything at the end of that game. You know, me and Carter and Zach were kind of going crazy. Hell of a time, as you guys saw. One of the funnest days I've had in a long time, and one of the best hockey games, if not the best hockey game I've ever been to. The Hall of Fame experience, out of this world, seeing those legends, and the fact that Thomas Steen was there. Like, you had 3 members already inducted tonight. Like 3 of the 10. That's insane. I can't get any better than that. Huge shout out to the Nolan Hockey Podcast, Zach and Carter, my brothers. They're amazing, great friends, and if you guys haven't already subscribed to them, go do so. All their links are down in the description below. They're my co-hosts on the Prairie Puck Podcast. They're awesome. Also met Jackson for the first time tonight, co-host of the Prairie Puck Podcast. I didn't film that. I wasn't thinking about doing that at the time. It was more just like, hey, it's the first time meeting you. You know, it's nice to meet you in real life. But way she goes. We'll definitely be making content when I'm here, so you'll see me and him around sometime in a video. Stay tuned for that. But hell of a day. I can't get over it. tired as hell. I think it's like midnight. I've just spent like 2 hours editing this, like on my phone, sending it back and forth between my computer. It's been hell, but I have done it. I'm very happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel and you're new to Winnipeg Jets and it's your first time ever seeing anything to do with this franchise and you thought tonight was awesome, if you're a fan of Anaheim and you're a fan of Teemu, you know, I just want to say welcome, and I hope you enjoyed and you got to see a little bit of what the best hockey market in Canada is like on a really, really good night. So thank you so much for watching. This is Pig City Hockey signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon.